Car insurance. Car insurance is a crucial aspect of responsible car ownership. In this article, we will explore the fundamental concepts of car insurance, including its types, coverage options, factors affecting premiums,
While car
and
insurance
essential tips
policies
for selecting
may vary,
the right
the underlying
policy purpose remains the same: to safeguard you, your vehicle, and others involved in an accident. Types of car insurance. Liability insurance. Liability insurance is typically the minimum requirement for car owners in most jurisdictions. It provides coverage for damages caused to another person's vehicle or property due to an accident where you are at fault. It includes two components: bodily injury liability and property damage liability. Collision insurance. Collision insurance covers the repair or replacement costs of your vehicle if it sustains damage in a collision with another vehicle or object. It is particularly useful for covering repair expenses when you are at fault in an accident. Comprehensive insurance. Comprehensive insurance provides coverage for damages to your vehicle resulting from incidents other than collisions. This includes theft, vandalism, natural disasters, falling objects, and animal collisions. It offers additional protection to car owners and is often recommended for newer or high-value vehicles. Personal injury protection. PIP insurance. PIP insurance, also known as no-fault insurance, covers medical expenses, lost wages, and other related costs resulting from injuries sustained in a car accident. Regardless of who is at fault, PIP insurance is mandatory in some states and offers quick access to benefits without the need for lengthy legal proceedings. Uninsured or underinsured. Motorist insurance. Uninsured or underinsured motorist insurance provides coverage if you are involved in an accident with a driver who does not have insurance or whose coverage is insufficient to cover the damages. This type of insurance protects you and your passengers from medical expenses and property damage caused by uninsured or underinsured drivers. 2. Factors influencing insurance premiums. Age and driving experience. Younger and inexperienced drivers generally pay higher premiums due to a higher likelihood of accidents. As drivers gain more experience and maintain a clean driving record, their premiums tend to decrease. Vehicle type and value. The type, make, model, and value of your vehicle play a significant role in determining insurance premiums. Expensive or high performance. Cars often have higher premiums due to the increased cost of repairs or replacement. Driving history. A history of accidents, traffic violations, or claims can result in higher insurance premiums. Insurance companies consider your driving record to assess the risk you pose as a policyholder. Location. The area in which you live affects your insurance premium. Urban areas with higher traffic density and crime rates tend to have higher premiums than rural areas. Deductible amount. The deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance coverage kicks in. Opting for a higher deductible can lower your premium, but it means you will have to pay more in the event of a claim. Credit score. In some regions, insurance companies may consider your credit score when determining your premium. A lower credit score could lead to higher premiums as it is perceived as an increased financial risk. Annual mileage. The distance you drive annually can influence your insurance premium. Higher mileage typically increases the chances of accidents, leading to higher premiums. Conclusion. Selecting the right car insurance policy involves understanding the different types of coverage available and considering the factors that influence premiums. Liability insurance, collision insurance, comprehensive insurance, PIP insurance, and uninsured or underinsured motorist insurance are among the most common types of coverage. Factors such as age, driving experience, vehicle